Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect guys your earbud with your Realme phone device. Guys you have guys any earbud and guys you want to connect with your Realme phone, so guys you can connect. And guys now let's see how to connect it. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to connect it. So as you can see this type of setting, then guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting and guys we will take out our earbuds. So you want to connect guys one, so guys take one, and guys you want to connect both of, so guys take both of. So I will take it. Then guys we will on our Bluetooth and guys with refresh option. So we will refresh and guys you can see this available device. So we will have to wait here. Then guys you can see guys your earbud name. Then guys click on guys your earbud name and guys you can see this notification. Guys tap here the right side to connect. And guys now you can see guys in use for call and media, playback, battery level 100%. So guys now you can use guys your earbud, Bluetooth earbud with your Realme phone while watching movies, listening song, whatever you want. So I hope friends you've understood how to connect earbud to our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet to next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.